Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. First of all, Happy New Year. This is our first Friday video of the year, and I'm going to keep going with some of the Simple Stories card kits. I've really been enjoying them, and I want to get a head start on some Christmas cards. So we're going to be doing this collection here, and I'm just showing you up close all the different cards. And this is the Boho Christmas. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and start pulling out the pieces we need for to make the first two cards. So we have our chipboard. It does come with 8 card bases already scored, ready to go. So we'll go ahead and pull out our 2. And then we're going to pull out the rest of the materials that come with it, and we'll start pulling apart all the different pieces. So, okay, on the inside, you have all of the stuff that you will need to create these 8 cards, okay? So you have your card base, the base pattern paper, and then you have die cuts, you have other elements that do the layers on top of the cards and stuff. So we're going to start pulling all this together, and we'll get started on our first 2 cards. So the first thing I always do is go ahead and fold the card over and use the bone folder just to kind of score the edge. I'll flip it and then do it again to make sure it's nice and flat as possible. And then we'll do that with the other card as well. And on this particular video, I've kept everything at its regular speed, and I did that for 2 reasons. One, you'll see as we keep going, I didn't record really putting together the cards, so you're just going to see the final end product. And so I figured it was probably just easier, leave it as it is. It's only 5 minutes, 5 or 7 minutes, I think it is. And, you know, it's not going to go by super slow. Okay, so for each one of the cards, you have a list, and it tells you exactly all the pieces that you need to create your the card that you're looking at. So we're doing the first one with the big joy. It does say joy, doesn't it? Lord Jesus. I have the cards here in front of me, but now I can't find them. I thought I had them right here. Oh, here it is. Yeah. Not joy. It says merry and bright. My bad. That's what it's gonna say. I thought I had put something on top of the tag, but it's already on the tag. So that's the tag that we're using. And then we're going to grab the other paper. So right here, you see that black and white. It looks like it's like a leaf, and yeah, right here, this big square right there. So we're going to pull off that one. We're going to pull off that gingham. It's a little pinky. It's like a blush color. We're going to pull that out as well. And then there's 2 more pieces we got to pull, which are at the top. The wood strip and the scallops. Excuse me. So we're just going to go ahead and pull these out. And as I'm pulling out the scallop one, because it's kind of thinner, I do almost rip it. And then I just go to the other end and pull it out. So, yeah, you just have to be careful sometimes, because sometimes they don't want to come out. So just be careful. So we got, oh wow, you can hear my cat. That was Mango, if you could hear the crying. But this is all the pieces from this page that we need. And now I'm probably going to wind up going back to the chipboard because I didn't take anything off the chipboard pieces yet. And on this one, we got a fa la 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 la. That is chipboard, and then the 3 poinsettias. Okay, so here we are. I had paused because I wanted to, I had dropped something and I had to pick it up, but then I forgot to hit unpause. But I have already put both cards together. Once they were together, I splattered with the fossilized amber and the white picket fence. And I like how that turned out. And then there's your cards. So it really doesn't take that long for these to come together. And on the next set of cards, you'll get to see how those get put together. If you've been here on the channel before, then you've seen us put together these kits already. But I just, there's something about them. It takes the pressure off, and they're fun to put together. I think on the next one, I have some that's going to be with foam squares, so to give it a little bit of dimension. So this is going to be a fun little series again, just to get in a head start on some Christmas cards for this new year. So that way at the end of the year, I'm not scrambling trying to make more cards. All right. Thank you guys so much. And I look forward to seeing you guys with our next video. Have a great weekend and Happy New Year.